OneKey Wallet SignGuard check: how to verify approvals in OneKey Wallet. Now, OneKey Wallet SignGuard feature automatically parses the transaction details and flags risky or malicious token approvals in real time before you sign. For a quick overview, what you want to do is, first of all, how SignGuard verifies it clears the signing, which means it translates complex hex code and raw smart contract data into human readable information, showing the exact methods, allowances, addresses, and spending limits. Real-time risk detection also integrates security intelligence feeds from providers like Blockade and Go+ to flag malicious contracts, drainers, and suspicious token approvals. It also warns you directly inside the OneKey app and on your hardware device screen if an interaction presents a security threat. So this way you can verify approvals in OneKey Wallet and how the app actually verifies it as well. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.